Hello gang, I've literally just opened up this box. I wanted to do an unboxing for you. I don't know, I mean I find unboxings quite interesting myself, just because you want to know what you're going to get when you open it up. It's just nice to see. So here we go. I've not actually opened it yet, but yeah, there we go. So I've actually picked up, as the title sort of suggests, I've picked up an AGV K6. I've gone through a load of helmets as usual, trying to find one that would actually fit me, and this is what you're gonna get. Get yourself a nice box. I've had AGVs before. Hopefully this will fit because it's getting a bit annoying now. I'm to send them back. There we go. Got a cool gold. This doesn't come with it. I bought this separately, just because clear visors, you know, especially when it's getting into summer now, they're a bit annoying. So you do get a pin lock, and you get, there's the chin curtain, and there's the silicone, some stickers. I don't know why they ship stickers with it, but hopefully you get a pin lock 120, and you do. Cool, you get a pin lock 120. The 70s, I've had really bad experiences with them recently. So yeah, let's have a look at the actual lid, and you can see what colour I got it in. Ooh, bit of silica gel just come out. There we go, the nice grey one. There's quite a few other helmets that I've ordered in the past. I didn't do any unboxings, or maybe I should have done, to be honest, but oh well. Here we go. And there it is. My god, that is really light. Holy shit. So you get this bag with it. Oh, you get a bag within a bag, apparently. Cool. You get a bag within a bag. Not really sure why, but that's cool. Thanks. And here we go. It's a very, very pretty lid. I mean, I go for the cheapest lids that I can because I'm cheap and I can't afford to just spend £1,000 on a lid. But this was the cheapest one in a colour that wasn't black, and I actually quite like that grey. It's actually quite nice. It's a bit more blue than it's showing up on the camera. On the camera it's kind of grey. Well, sorry, obviously it's grey, but you know what I mean. It's a bit more blue in person than darker grey, and that is ridiculously light. Holy shit, that is like, there's nothing to that helmet, absolutely nothing. This is a medium small. Again, hoping this will fit, because the medium large that I got in a Corsa, I used to have a Corsa, that was a bit too big after a while, but the actual medium small shell didn't fit me, so hopefully this one will. Nice sports touring helmet, looking for something that, you know, is decent quality, and the paint on it looks really, really good. There we go. So yeah, let's go try this on. Looks really nice. Look at that. And it weighs nothing. It weighs just nothing at all. Looks very smart, and it's got cutouts for a center. It's got really nice quality. Also, let me just try this exposure. There we go. It's got really nice quality material on here. Nice perforation. It doesn't feel as nice as like oh, the inside is very nice actually. Doesn't quite feel as nice as like a Corsa on the inside, but hey, I'm hoping this fits because I'm sick of sending them back at this point. There we go. This is a medium small. If I juke my chin out, it does touch the bar. I mean, it's a little loose. It's a little loose for me. I mean, side to side is fine. Up and down. I mean, I'm kind of able to get 2 fingers up there. Kind of, if I really push. And there are two pressure points up here. I have to seat my head in it a certain way. Otherwise, there's like 2 ridges here that push into like the top of my temples. I mean, the actual top of the crown feels quite
Feels quite loose. If I push down on it, it's weird. It's like the pressure points are kind of going as I move it around. So maybe a little bit of foam up there might be able to help. But all in all, it fits me the best that a helmet has fit me in a while. Straight out, no messing about. But there definitely are two ridges up here that are pushing. Not horrible, but if I get it in a certain way, I can feel it. Let's see what it's like to take it off. That's easy enough to get off. I mean, a medium small to me seems absolutely fine for this. The only thing I think, I reckon the cheek pads could be a little bit thicker, maybe. The cheek pads could be a little bit thicker. There's definitely up here, there's definitely two ridges on the inside that, let's see if I can feel. Underneath the padding. The actual headliner doesn't feel that thick at all, really. Yeah, there's definitely, what the hell? Yeah, there's definitely like a ridge up here. Definitely. I'll have to just pull that down. Not sure if you could be able to see this, but not sure if you can see, but here there's like a ridge that kind of sticks out. And this is further in, this is further in, and then this ridge here, you'll get it in the light a bit better. This ridge here kind of sticks into the top of your sort of skull, which is a bit disconcerting, to be honest. It's not very comfortable. This entire ridge here feels like it kind of goes into the top of my head, which means that the liner could be a bit thicker. I mean, it doesn't feel very, there's nothing really there for that liner except from the brow. So yeah, that could be a little bit better. Maybe I could put some foam pads in there or something. I'm not too sure. I don't really want to go doing that at the minute. But yeah, definitely there's a definite ridge line. So we'll see. I see if I can get like a thicker liner for it, maybe, or something. I'm not too sure. But the only good thing about this as well is the date. Usually sports bike shop, if they're on sale, they give you like a date from about 2018, which makes the helmet kind of redundant at that point. There we go, 2020. Awesome. But you can see that ridge there, look. There. It kind of sticks out across there, and there's like a lump on the end. Definitely feel that, but in a certain, if you put your head in a certain position, you can't really, it kind of goes away. So I'm not sure how that's going to play out. So we'll see. But anyway, I'll do another one with the visor on if I decide to keep it. But we'll see. Thank you very much for watching anyway. Hello.